Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce Plus. This Buzz features a 79 kWh battery producing an equivalent of 286 PS. This example comes finished in a lovely two-tone colour combination of candy white over bay leaf green. Some of the exterior features include IQ LED matrix headlights, and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 19-inch Tilburg alloy wheels. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, this ID Buzz features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space, and access into the load area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. Separating the load area from the cab is a black bulkhead, and load lashing rings can be found dotted across the load area floor. Up in the cab itself we'll find two single seats, both with two armrests each, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system that allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or even listen to any of your favourite radio stations. This system also comes with inbuilt navigation, and throughout the rest of the interior we can find a few charging points. For the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce Plus. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.